Hey guys peeps, welcome back to Snail TV. Sorry that these are just talkings, but unfortunately I can't do anything about that. I want to just tell you about the situation of what's exactly going on and what is Snail TV doing. Alright, so Snail TV is still going to keep going. It's going to be probably around about a couple months break. I do have a lot of other things that I want to do as well in between that, so I'll keep making videos for you guys. Unfortunately, this might be the last time that you guys might actually see all these projects. This one's sold. Alright, so the whole deal is what we're doing is I'm going to be probably selling most of these all off. Have advertised all of them up and yeah, trying not to go too low, but just enough just to get my money back for them and to move on. So Roll Racer has been sold already. Everything's all ready to go. Drag car I will not be getting rid of. That there is my only my main car, my only baby, and also the booster I will not be getting rid of. But both go-karts are going and everything in this shed is going as well, apart from toolbox. That's all. That's the only thing I'm keeping. Alright, so unfortunately it's just come down to that. Absolutely everything is going, guys. K24 bike, sold the motor for it already, sold a few other parts for it as already. Yeah, so it's just easier to do it this way. Well, you know, that's what I think. So what's going to happen is actually selling everything up, and because I can see this going to keep going everywhere I go, unfortunately, because yeah, you know that they don't like me making noise anywhere. Is going to be getting a property, nice bit of lot of land actually, and putting a absolutely gigantic shed on there. You don't actually realize this is not like a massive shed. It's a really nice size and I love it, but I could do with like a 20 times shed this and I can still fill it up. But so that's the plan anyway, guys. Alright, so stay with me. So Snail TV is still going to keep going. That's a good thing, but everything else is going to be gone. Even selling up the Fusion display board as well. There's a few things that I'll do differently, but so everything is going to be replaced later on, some sort. Alright, so I will be doing like more projects of course coming on, but a lot better of course. It's been an awesome experience building these go-karts, and there's a lot more things I will change on it as well, and make a lot better as well. But just thought I would update you guys of where everything's going, and if you guys know anyone wanting anything, let me know. I can ship anything. Alright, the carts I can ship. Just let me know. Alright, message me. I'm Australian. Alright, so it's Australian dollars. Alright, so that's what the prices that we're after. So let me know what you guys need, and I can get anything either shipped out or whatnot. Roll Racer is going to Brisbane. Alright, so that's off very soon. Organising, all the shipping companies all been organised, ready to go as well. So unfortunately that's just the way it is, guys. Alright, wasn't nothing to do with me. I'd love to finish it, but these circumstances, I just can't keep taking my stuff places, and the same thing keep going. So these past 7 months have been pretty good here, but you guys know at the start the complaints started straight away, and yeah, I don't want to do that again anymore. I'm over these complaints, and I'm over yeah, just going places. So yeah, the plan is to a massive property, something like 10 acres or something like that. A massive shed, I'm talking like a 30 or a 40 by 20 or something like that, a big shed, and to set up all in there. So I want things I want as well, I can actually personally do it myself, like flush mount hoist and stuff like that. I want to do those things because I want to make it my own. Build in the stereo as well, stereo in the speak, like in the roofs and like that, speakers on the roof and that sort of stuff. I can just do all that stuff because it'd be my own shed, whatnot. So this has been awesome staying here, as I said, but unfortunately it's just the way it is. But yeah, I was never going to work out here. That's just what it's turned out to be, because a little bit too noisy for everyone. But yeah, this is what it is, guys. So yeah, let me know if you guys want anything, but absolutely everything's up for sale. I've got a GT47 turbocharger up for sale, a Garrett GT47, my whole display board, both go-kart and the QUADKART, and yeah, so many parts, so many pieces. Just let me know what you guys want. Alright, so thanks very much, guys. Stick with me. I'll still keep going with yours. I'll keep going of what's happening. I'll do another 1 or 2 since I'm still been here, and what's going and what's, you know, what I can't get rid of. And also I'll do updates of what's going on with the property and all that stuff. So thanks very much, guys. Stay on board. Please contact me via Facebook if you guys can find me on Facebook, or I'll put my number up there. I reckon I should put my number up there, and just give me a call, personal call, if you guys are after anything. Please no time wasters, guys. I've got so many time wasters on this stuff. Got to realize this stuff is expensive. $5,000 will not buy the go-kart. It's just what it is. I'm after reasonable offers. Let me know, and yeah, we'll work out a deal. Thanks very much, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. See you, peeps.